An insurance fact find is opened and started in the same way as a mortgage fact find, initially by opening up a client record. Select Client in the left-hand side, and then select the client to be used. Click on Open Client to open the record, and then click on the Fact Find option in the left menu. From here, select the sale to be opened and click on the Open Sale button. In this case, you can see a fact find for a mortgage sale which has been completed. In order to enable the insurance questions, place a tick next to the Protection and GI option, and you will see the Insurance tab becomes available. Selecting the Insurance tab will take you to those screens, and initially the Cover Required screen will be displayed. The remaining tabs will only appear depending upon the answers given to the questions shown on the screen now. These detail whether only life cover is required, critical illness, income protection, and so forth. And consequently, they control the appearance of the tabs that you can see at the top of the screen. Additional information can also be recorded for each answer. If I say no to Buildings and Contents, you will see the Buildings and Contents tab disappears. This is re-enabled if I click yes to those questions. The first Health and Lifestyle tab allows us to record some client information around height and weight and GP details. The remaining questions are no longer required and will be removed in a future update. The Life and Critical Illness tab allows us to record those needs, whether life only, life and CI, or just critical illness, and you can see I've almost completed this. If I do complete the last outstanding field, you'll see the exclamation mark disappear, and the tab is now marked with a green tick as I've completed all of the insurance questions. The Life button allows a single company quote to be delivered. The Income Protection tab has been enabled as I need to cover income, but this also enables the PPI ASU tab so you can use that as an alternative cover type. In this case, I've indicated I'm completing income protection and I filled the details in on the screen, as you can see. I could tick that ASU is required either independently or as an additional product, but in this case I will leave it blank. The Buildings and Contents tab is divided into two tabs, one for buildings and one of course for contents, and this is completed in the same way through drop-downs, radio buttons and so on. The Contents tab has an example of where a More button will be enabled if the answer was yes, such as here for high-risk items. Once complete, the Cover Required tab will also allow you to launch the multi-benefit integration with iPipeline's Solution Builder service, and it will pass through all of the needs for life and critical illness and income protection as required.